Have you ever watched a video on mute and still understood everything just because the captions were right there on the screen? 85% of people watch videos without sound. So if your content does not have caption, you are literally leaving views on the table. Hello creatives, my name is Zach and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I help you create better content and tell powerful stories right from your phone. Today, I'm showing you how to add fast automatic caption using CapCut so you can boost your reach, keep people engaged, and make your edits more professional. Let's dive in. Alright, first thing first is to open CapCut, tap on a new project, then you select the video you want to use. This is the video I want to use for my caption. So the next thing to do is to click on this text, come to this text and click on auto caption. One thing is that this auto caption works across platform, whether TikTok or Instagram or YouTube video. So you can do auto caption for any type of video that find its way into CapCut. You get. So now you click on auto caption, and from auto caption you have to click where do you want to generate your caption from. Is it from the video or from voiceover? You can see I will be generating my own caption from the video. I don't have voiceover in this video. Also, you will select the language. By default it can be on auto detect, but for now I speak English in the video, then that is why English was selected. Another thing you need to select is template. So you need to select the template that will match the vibe in the video. You get. So you need to select template that will match the vibe in the video. For now, I'll select this one because if you notice, that is what I've been using in my video. And also this advanced, just leave it for now, then click generate. CapCut is going to automatically scan the video and do the auto captions for you. And in a few minutes, boom, you see our caption is ready. Okay, next thing to do is to check for accuracy. You need to check for accuracy if there is a mistake. Look at this. This is not the way I spell my Zach, so I need to change it. So edit, then come to Zach. So my Zach is ZAK. Alright, so you have to check for accuracy. Another thing I also do is to come here, go to my style. Here I will come to highlights. So this is what I usually use. So I usually use this one very well. And from here you can also select your fonts. You can also select your font style, font size. This is what I usually use. And you can come to style to select to increase the size of the fonts of your text. Okay, another thing I usually do is the positioning. Most time I usually position my video on top of my video, so I'll position it up, just this y-axis. That is what I use in dragging or moving my video. You have to position it to where you want your video to be. Okay, this is good, it's good here. Alright, hello, that hello should be in capital, that H should be in capital letter, and the C should be exclamation mark here. So hello, and the creative should be in capital letter. Alright, good. So let's check again. Hello creatives, my name is Zach. You can see this one is too long, just split it to two and edit it. My name is Zach, so I want it to my name is Zach, just my name is Zach alone. My name is Zach and welcome. My name is Zach. That is what I want here, alone. Good. My name is Zach, and come to this place. Good. And you're cool. Now look at it. Hello creative, my name is Zach. and welcome to my YouTube channel. Good. So you have to check, and once you are happy with your subtitle, the next thing is to export it so that you can start sharing it with your families and friends.
If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more weekly mobile editing tips. Until next time, stay creative and keep telling your story.